This is the Comfort-Aire oil furnace I mentioned earlier.
Okay, yeah, I remember we put that up calculator in my,
Pretty much brand new. Comfort-Aire Patriot 80 by Heat Controller Incorporated.
yeah, you just got plugging wires, not worry about food pipes and all that stuff.
Yeah, well, unless we had a recommend kind of system, right? Like
It's got a Beckett burner.
no, I was going to go pro.
Don't know how many
I think that would be very expensive.
BTUs this is. Oh, here we go.
Probably easier just.
85,000 or 97,000 BTUs per hour.
The interior units never come straight on, right? They never come charged.
That is the Carrier oil furnace I made a video of last year. And I could have sworn this was a Carrier.
I won't see it as disrespect, I swear. So I could technically buy the indoor unit and then the guys come in and just put in the heat pump and everything else like that.
Yeah. Yeah, whatever brand you're using, set the match the size, he probably put it in there.
Right, so if I actually like a 4-ton inside, you guys can match up.
Obviously I can't turn it on right now
Yeah,
because the thermostat's all taken apart and I'm about ready to go home, so
I don't know if this was a technician base before and it was built.
yeah.
Yeah, he seemed extremely knowledgeable. Walking
I have had a long day. Hold on a minute. Actually, you know what? I won't put that on just yet.
Yeah, this is the guy who's been around a long time.
Yeah. Pretty big guy, so.
Big class,
Is he? They call him Timmy Boy every time I talk. There's 3 phone calls and they got scheduled matched up. Hey, Timmy Boy.
Alright, so there it is all put back together. And this battery's about to die, but I still have 2 fully charged ones in my camera case. And we are about ready to go. Alright. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.